I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. From bookkeeping to technical automation, we are the back office partner your contracting business deserves.
Watch this video to learn how to create a batch payment file, to upload to your online banking, to pay suppliers. Click Purchases, then choose Bills. To see your unpaid bills, click the Awaiting Payment tab. Select the checkboxes of the bills you want to pay. Then, click Make Payment. Choose Batch Payment and click Continue. Review and complete the batch payment details so Xero can create the payment file with all the necessary information. Select the payment date using the calendar picker or type it into the field. Then, select the bank account you'll make the payment from. We recommend you enter an optional payment reference in the Details field for your records. Xero pre-fills the supplier's payment details from their contact record. You can update the bank account field if the details are incorrect, if you have the bank account admin user permission. Xero automatically updates the supplier contact record if you make changes to the supplier's details. Xero pre-fills the Details column if you've added a reference on the bill or supplier contact record. These details show on the payment file, so we recommend using a reference that helps the supplier know what the payment relates to. Once you've checked the details are correct, click Make Payments. Xero has created the batch payment. You can attach documents to the batch payment in Xero using the file icon. For example, you might want to add a document authorizing the supplier payments if you have a manual approval process. Click Export Batch File to download a CSV file, which you can upload to your online banking if it accepts a CSV file type. Use the Print Batch PDF button to download a file with the batch payment details for your records. Click Send Remittance to email payment confirmation to your suppliers. Check the remittance advice details, including the email, branding theme, email template, subject, and message. Click into any field and make changes as needed. Select the Send Me a Copy checkbox to receive an email of each remittance if you need them for your records. Finally, click Send to email remittance advice to your suppliers. To view and save a PDF copy of the remittance advice, click Options, then choose View Remittance PDF. Xero will ask you to select a branding theme to apply to the PDF. Click OK to generate the PDF. We recommend reconciling the batch payment in the bank reconciliation rather than from this Options menu. Finally, use the Edit Batch or Remove and Redo options if you need to make changes to the batch payment file. Now you're ready to pay multiple bills and suppliers in one payment using batch payment files.